It's been over 2 years since the Uber Copter was first revealed, and I believe this business offers tremendous potential further from its stage of latency. First, allow me to introduce you to the logistics of the Uber Copter. In order to see if this is a profitable business for Uber in the future, we must know how it works, the additional cost and pricing, along with the time advantages of Uber Copter. The Uber Copter ordering process is a 4-step process. Step 1 of the process is to have a land vehicle pick you up and drop you off at the flight station. This does not require an additional click, and ordering Uber Copter will include the cost of doing this. Having an Uber car pick you up is an incredible advantage Uber has over other businesses attempting to get inside the flying business. There aren't many other companies that can offer you the same technology. Therefore, this market is extremely difficult for other companies to get into. Step number 2 is to enter a massive flight building, where there will be an elevator allowing you to reach the top floor of the building. This building will be owned by a separate company. For example, in this scenario, it is a hotel building allowing for the use of the Uber Copter on the roof of the building. This is mutually beneficial for both the hotel and Uber. It allows hotel customers to easily access transportation and also helps Uber generate profits for their business. Step 3 of the process, which you can probably guess, is to fly in the copter to another available flight building. You may be seated with other people going to the same destination. This will help Uber lower their costs of the Uber Copter. The final step of the process is to get another car ride to your more specific destination. This seems like it's going to be an expensive process for Uber to offer. You probably think this would be a non-affordable cost to ride in a helicopter. And another doubt many of you guys will have is, when is this option coming? It doesn't seem like Uber can maintain such a high expense business while they're losing such a large amount of money every single quarter. Surprisingly enough, the Uber Copter is actually already available in 2 locations. That is the JFK Airport and Manhattan. Uber is currently working on beefing up the number of locations so that there are a larger number of destinations on the Uber Copter. So now that we know that there are already 2 locations available for the Uber Copter, let's talk about the pricing of the service as of right now and whether it will be affordable. These are the helicopters Uber is using right now, but it is expected that they design a cheaper and quieter version of this helicopter. On the Uber app, you'll see that the Uber X is normally around $58 when there's no traffic. Once you scroll down, you can see that there's the Uber Copter going at a price of $195. Now on a busy day of traffic, this Uber X can retail for $150, so an extra $50 to upgrade to the Uber Copter could seem pretty reasonable if you're in a rush. Now on a day with mild traffic, going from JFK to Manhattan will take around 52 minutes. On an Uber Copter, it's estimated that it will take 8 minutes to fly there and around the total of 15 minutes if you include waiting for your car ride, getting picked up, and going to the flight station. This is a massive amount of time saved and has a lot of potential for Uber in the future. Uber is attempting to halve this cost to make it around $100 per flight if you're going from Manhattan at JFK or vice versa. They expect this system to be fully done by 2023. And just a reminder, we're in 2020. This is only 3 years ahead. If you're in for Uber stock in the long term, in 2021, 2022, we could definitely see the stock price boost tremendously due to speculation. This really isn't something Uber stock analysts are talking about. Uber has been losing money for a very long time. Every quarter, they're losing millions and billions of dollars. But people fail to forget that Uber is expected to be profitable by 2021. Let's say Uber starts making money by 2021, they follow their expectations. I have no doubt when it comes to Uber Air coming by 2023 if Uber follows their expectations in the future. This is sort of like the secret weapon to Uber stock. I believe that this will have massive potential for Uber in the future. Once they build more flight buildings, the time will decrease from going to one area to another, and you know what? This could be something people do on a daily basis when they go to work. I see a lot of people sleeping on this segment for Uber, And I can't blame you because no one's really talking about it. But this is definitely part of the long-term vision for Uber. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video.